Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick review and just show you guys using this Sigma 2G, I believe it's called, tile cutter. This thing's made in Italy. They've been around for quite a while, but just a really high quality, small tile cutter, brake style tile cutter. They make all different sizes for huge slabs. This is, I think, one of the smallest ones. Anyway, I'll just show you a couple cuts. So the way they normally come is with the handle, which you could call backwards because they're actually a pull type cutter. That's why you can see the ruler when it's facing me is actually backwards, it's forwards for you. But normally the handle would be turned this way and you're supposed to pull it towards you. But just naturally using tile cutters, it is more comfortable for me to be pushing the cutter towards a stop. So just to turn it around, you just pull these two bolts. This is similar for all of their models. Just pull these bolts, flip this handle around, put it back down, bolts back in, and then you can just go forward with it. So I'm just gonna do a few cuts here to show you what it's capable of doing. These are some 5x5 porcelain tiles. So very hard, made in Spain. This is a high quality tile, and we're doing really nice cuts with it. So I just gotta rip a bunch of these down for a small tile job here. And for example, I've already ripped the one piece off of this, that smaller piece there, and now I'm just turning them around and I'm ripping that little edge. So I'll just show you here. So we're just gonna place in the brake. It's got an adjustable stop here. Obviously you've got your stop up here, which is really nice. You can turn it, any degree up to 45 that you want. This particular model here shows you right on it what it'll do. So it'll do a 14.5-inch diagonal, which is basically a 10 by 10 tile. But the nice thing about it is it can sit on a countertop right where you're working, super portable, super light, and it's just really nice to work with. So we'll do a little cut here. Very nice clean edge it leaves. Really clean. And then I just clean it up with a diamond sponge. Probably don't absolutely have to, but it just gives it almost a factory edge. And again, these are small 5x5 tiles. Kind of a weird size too, sort of prone to breaking, especially when I was cutting this edge off here. When I was cutting this piece off and it didn't break. So when I was ripping these, I'm obviously ripping that piece first because it's more prone to breaking. Let's do another one there. Just give it a little back score and a little break. Clean it up, and that's good to go.